5. We have to approximate. So that's making it 10. You add that 1 to the other 9, making it 10.
Okay.
And adding these 2, when you add these 2 together, you can see for this second answer, it gives 7. See? Do you understand now? Are you sure? Okay. Let me...
Are you guys okay? I noticed you slept in my room last night and you've been acting weird towards Dad.
I'm fine. I mean, we are fine.
You know, this was how it all started. She and Dad. We came back one day and she was gone. She left a divorce paper. I like you and I don't want you to leave.
No, I'm not leaving, okay? I'm here. I won't leave you.
Are you sure?
Or your dad either. Alright? Thanks. Okay, I'm going to give you one question and you should answer. If you're able to get this, I will gift you what? Ice cream?
Okay, I will get it.
Hey babe, where are you? Working tonight? Again? Look, you know what? It's fine, it's okay. Yeah, it's cool. Good night.
What are you doing here?
Up for some wine.
Good to hear from you, Louie. I'm fine. Work is fine. It's been a while, I must confess. Oh, good to hear from you. And how's it going? Oh, are you serious? You'll be coming into the country tomorrow. I can't wait to set eyes on you, honestly. It's been ages. Yes, 10 years. You're right, 10 years. Okay? What did he just say? No. It's a no for me. Don't say that. Louie, get rid of that from your mind. No hotel. There is no way I will let you stay in a hotel when I have spare rooms in my house. Okay, settled. I will pick you up at the airport tomorrow, okay? Oh, good to hear from you. Have a nice day.
Hey, babe. I thought I heard you talking to someone.
Yes, my kid brother Louie.
Oh, how is he?
He's fine.
I came to tell you that food is ready and you should come to the dining. Angela is there waiting already.
Interesting.
All right.
I'll join you shortly.
Okay, see you.
Welcome home.
Wow.
Wow. Darling,
Wow.
how are you doing? Yes. My kid brother Louie. Louie, my fiancée Matilda.
Hi.
He'll be staying with us. Louie, welcome.
Is she all right? I mean,
Yes, she's fine.
I can actually go to
Nothing to worry about. Don't say that, okay? You're not going to any hotel. Okay? Let's go.
So, how about...
Get hold of this.
How are my little niece?
She's upstairs. Go that way. Oh. Okay.
Ha. Ah. Wow, this is... Ha. Senor Bros. You try, oh. This looks really good. Wow.
Darling, are you okay?
Do I look okay to you? Do I? Oscar, it's okay that you neglect me, but are you now going all the way to make decisions without seeking my consent too?
Darling, what is wrong with you? Oftentimes, I find it difficult to understand why you behave the way you do at times. Listen, this is my house. I am the man of the house. I have the right to invite whoever I wish to invite, more so my brother. Is there anything wrong with that?
Is that all you have to say? Wow. Oscar, you invited your brother to this house without seeking my consent, and I'm only asking you to know why you did that, and this is all you have to say.
I think the time has come for you to let go of this attitude of yours.
That's fine.
Babe.
Let me go.
So, what is the team in red?
That's Liverpool.
Oh, Liverpool. And blue?
Chelsea.
Wow. Uncle Louis, how is it in the States?
Pretty cool. I mean, it's quite cold, actually.
Cold?
Yes.
Ah,
So, how's school?
very fine. Everything is going very well.
Great. Hey. I was watching that.
Well, I don't want to watch it. So it's either you join me or you go to your bedroom. At least there's a TV there. Angela, you want to watch this, right?
Yeah.
What's your problem?
What do you mean by what's my problem? Do I look like I have a problem? You are the one with a problem here.
Hey, the last time I checked, this was my brother's house.
Well, the last time I checked, I was in my husband's house.
Hey. Don't you think you're being too fast with that?
What do you mean I'm being too fast?
What is going on here?
I asked the question. What is going on? Well, I'm going to work. I hope to meet both of you alive when I return. Let's go.
Bye, Uncle Louis.
Yeah, why?
baby.
Darling, how are you doing?
I'm good. So, what do you think? How do I look?
Beautiful as always.
Okay, thank you. But are you saying that you cannot see something new in me?
Something like what?
Something new. You're not seeing anything?
No, the only thing I see is a beauty.
Nice hair. But on the wrong head.
Crazy.
You must be crazy.
You are the crazy one. Did I ask you?
What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you?
Can you just stop this? What is going on? Even in my presence?
Talk to him.
Really? Really? You didn't see that in the first place. I understand your feelings for her and everything. It's just that... Nothing. It's fine.
Hey, my angel. How are you? What is it? Come. Sit down. What's wrong? Talk to me. What's the problem?
The kids in the school said my mom left because of me.
What? That's nonsense. You know it's not true, right?
Then why did she leave?
Well, baby, there are 1,001 reasons she must have left. But believe me, you're certainly not one of them. All right? You are a blessing to your father and I. Trust me. Babe, those kids are obviously jealous of you. And they're looking for ways to get under your skin. And you shouldn't let that happen. All right? I can see you're still upset. So how about we do this? Tomorrow I'll go straight to your school and beat the hell out of those kids.
No.
If you want me to do, I'll do it. I'll go with you.
No, don't worry.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I don't think you're sure. If you know you don't want me to come there tomorrow, give me that cute smile. That's my girl. Come here. I want you to go upstairs and freshen up, and when you're done, calm down. I made your favorite meal.
Egusi soup. Yay!
Alright, go freshen up, okay?
Thank you, Mom.
She just called me Mom. Babe.
Sweetheart.
Guess what?
What?
Angela called me Mommy.
Darling, please. I have a deadline, okay? I need to finish this tonight.
Good night.
Good night. Who's calling you by this time of the day?
It's no one.
What do you mean by that?
Network providers, you know how they can be. It's no one.
Okay. But I think you have to, you should give it a thought. Yes, it's a serious issue.
I can only try.
Don't go there. You need a serious date.
I mean, I can't do past
You
myself.
can't continue like this.
I thought you were supposed to be working.
All right, bro. I will talk to you tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Good night.
Good night.
Babe.
Don't babe me. You couldn't have a single conversation with me earlier, but here you are, chatting and laughing with your brother.
It's okay. I'm sorry.
That's all I get from you. Sorry. That's only what you say.
Babe, I am sorry. I love you so much. I'm sorry. Okay? I said I'm sorry. Come here.
Why are you laughing? What's funny?
It's okay. Huh? Let's go to some.
Yes, let's go. We need to rest. Come.
Uh-huh.
Oh, did you see what that guy did?
Did you see that?
Oh my God.
This is so funny. That's why
He is a professional.
I love watching this program a lot.
That's how somebody will want to go and do it now. And now for
Exactly. Oh my goodness.
Wow. Uncle Louis, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my angel. How was school today?
School's very fine.
Okay.
Uncle, come and join us. We're watching a very interesting program.
I will pass, okay? I'll see you later.
Okay. Mom,
Sweetie? Yeah?
you shouldn't say a word to Uncle Louis.
Please, Angie, not today, okay? Not today. I beg of you.
But he is not a bad
Can
person.
you please help me with my phone? Go get it. Alright?
I know what you're doing.
Thank you. Go already, please.
I'll get it anyway. But every single time I bring up something
Thank you very much. You're a darling.
When I come back, you tell me what happened. Daddy,
Darling,
can
you should be sleeping.
I just saw the light and I came out. Daddy, I want to ask you a question.
Okay, what is it?
Why does Uncle Louis and Mommy hate each other so much?
Come on, baby. That's an uncouth word to use.
But they don't like each other.
Listen to me. They're just getting to know each other. Okay? With time, they will begin to bond. But as for now, just let them be.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
Yeah, go to bed.
Good night, Dad.
Good night.
Babe, you're back. When did you
darling.
get back?
A few hours ago.
Welcome.
How are you?
Good.
It's been a very hectic day, I must say.
I'm sorry.
How
Have
are
you
you
eaten?
doing? Yes, I have.
I'm so sorry. I slept off while waiting for you.
Oh, sorry.
Babe, I got us a movie ticket.
Interesting.
We should go see a movie together.
When will that be?
Tomorrow night.
Okay.
You know, we haven't done something like this in a long while, like something fun. So I just thought we should do this together.
I agree with you. That would be nice.
Okay, so you're coming?
Of course.
You'll be back from work by then.
Yes.
I love you.
Love you too, baby. Join you soon, okay?
Okay. You need any help?
No, don't bother. I'll join you soon.
Okay.
This is Jessica, my friend.
Oh wow, she's beautiful.
More than me.
Of course not. You're the most beautiful girl on earth.
Okay, thank you. This one, Favor, I don't like her.
Why?
She does oversabi too much.
Oversabi.
Yes, her ITK is bigger than her.
Aha. So, how come she sent you a friend request?
That I'm not accepting it.
I see.
What?
Oh, I'm just amazed at how things have changed. I mean, during my time, we didn't have phones.
Well, thank God I didn't grow up when you grew up. If not, what will I do? You can't even communicate with your friends or know what's happening around you.
Well, we had television sets for news updates, to know about the latest happenings in the world, and you can as well visit your friends if you wanted.
I prefer my phone. Oh, mommy posted.
Okay.
Uncle Louie. Why did you suddenly start checking your phone? Is it because you want to check what mommy posted?
Am I not allowed to use my phone any longer?
You are, but she's not a bad person.
I never said that.
Then why are both of you not getting along?
Ouch.
Sorry, is it a pain again?
Yes.
It hasn't stopped. I thought Dad told you to go to the hospital.
No, we're fine.
Should I get you water?
Okay, alright, that's fine. Just help me.
Okay, let me get you water. Just 1 second.
Babe, I'm back. Babe. Matilda, where are you coming from? And who was that guy that dropped you off? I'm talking to you. Where are you coming from?
Oscar, I waited for you, hoping that you were not going to disappoint me, but what did you do? You did your usual.
Is that why you went on a date with another man?
My classmates. My female classmates. I saw her at the cinema. The same place I bought tickets so that you and I would go and see movies. But what did you do? You disappointed me as usual. Did you check the driver? Did you check if it's a woman or a man? You know what? I'm not in for all this. I'm really tired and I'm so upset.
I'm sorry. Okay? I'm sorry. How was your day?
Since this one is already 5, we have to approximate. So that's making it 10. You add that one to the other 9, making it 10.
Okay.
And adding these 2, when you add these 2 together, you can see for this second answer, it gives 7. See? Do you understand now? Are you sure? Okay. Let me...
Are you guys okay? I noticed you slept in my room last night and you've been acting weird towards Dad.
I'm fine. I mean, we are fine.
You know, this was how it all started. She and Dad. We came back one day and she was gone. She left a divorce paper. I like you and I don't want you to leave.
No, I'm not leaving, okay? I'm here. I won't leave you.
Are you sure?
Or your dad either. Alright? Thanks. Okay, I'm going to give you one question and you should answer. If you're able to get this, I will gift you what? Ice cream.
Okay, I will get it. No.
Uh-huh.
No. I will get it now. Okay,
Last chance. I just
this
thought
one. You say approximately, right?
Babe.
Hey.
How are you doing? Can you at least wear a smile? You see, whatever it is, I want you to put a stop to it. Okay? I'm sorry. I mean, this was exactly how Vanessa started. Text messages in the middle of the night, strange cars dropping her off at odd hours, and one day, she was gone. Angela was only 9.
Vanessa. But you never talked about her.
There is nothing to talk about. All that belong in the past. I'm only scared that you might replicate what she did to me someday.
I am not Vanessa. And I can never be. I just need my man most of the time. I need your attention. That's all I ask for.
I understand how you feel. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do something about it. Okay? I'll be going to the office tonight. Whatever backlog of work I have to do, I will sort it out between tonight and tomorrow so that I will have enough time for you.
You were going to work tonight? Babe, I mean, you worked throughout the day and you want to go back to work tonight? See, that's stressful.
I'll be fine. Okay? I'll rest tomorrow. And I'll rest with you.
I love you.
I love you too. Let me get ready. Okay?
Alright.
So, what's up for dinner?
I kept something really nice for you in the fridge, but I'll help you warm it. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Hey. Yes, darling. I'm just preparing us something to eat. Yeah. Are you working tonight? Okay. Okay, you'll be back tonight. Well, I'm beginning to get some crazy ideas, but no, it's a surprise. But you like it, trust me. All right, darling. See you later tonight. Love you. Okay. Hey, babe. Where are you? Working tonight? Again? Look, you know what? It's fine. It's okay. Yeah, it's cool. Good night.
What are you doing here?
Up for some wine?
Angie, you have to hurry up, okay? Don't be late for school. Bro,
Good morning.
good morning. How are you doing?
Very well.
Hope you slept well.
Of course. You're leaving already.
Yes, I have a lot of work to do in the office. You know, not everyone has the luxury of working from home.
Not like he has an actual job.
And the last time I checked, I was talking to my brother.
My fiancé. Correction. Hey, babe.
Hey, mate.
You wish it were you.
You're not my type.
And who said you were mine?
Say it already.
Huh?
Go ahead. Say
Both of
it.
you just
You
stop
wish.
this? Can you just stop this?
Darling, I made breakfast.
Oh, I don't think I'll be able to eat. I have to run along.
Darling, I had to wake up really early to make this so you can
Calm
eat
down,
before
darling,
we...
okay? That's okay. I will eat when I come back. I'm late already. Angie, hurry up, let's go. One more thing. Do me a favor. Make sure I meet both of you alive when I return.
Love you.
Love you too.
Bye, Mom. Bye.
Hey, bye. Okay. Get lost.
You startled me.
I'm sorry. What's up?
What else? I'm trying to clean up this mess. Your brother is driving me crazy. He's now working twice his shifts.
He obviously doesn't know the value of what he has. Okay, so what about what we talked about?
Well, I've thought... The muscle cram again?
Yes.
This time your hand... Sorry. Okay, come. Let's get you seated, okay? Sorry. Easy. Sorry. Come sit down. Sorry. Easy. Hey.
Where's Angie?
She's sleeping.
Oh, okay.
How's your hand?
It's a bit better now, thanks to you.
Never mind, it's nothing. He's back.
Ah, okay. You know what? I will talk to you some other time, all right? I need to go to my room now.
Okay.
Yeah, later.
All right.
Oh, darling.
Darling, welcome.
Thank you.
How was work?
Fine, but very hectic.
Oh, I know.
And how's Angie?
Sleeping.
Oh, my brother?
Are you going to bring him up now?
Can you just stop this?
No, can I just stop what? Can you just stop this? I'm sick and tired of hearing my brother always. Excuse me.
What kind of thing is this?
Yeah, come in.
Oh. Louie, how are you doing?
Tired. Feel weak.
I've told you to go and see a doctor. At least to ascertain what is wrong with you.
You worry too much. I'll be fine. I just need some rest.
Okay. Hope you had something.
Honestly, wish I didn't have to taste that rubbish.
Come on, bro. Don't say that again. I've told you severally that I don't like the way you get along with Matilda. You, Matilda, and Angela are the most important people in my life. I will appreciate it if you can actually get along with her. Do me that favor.
Okay, I'll try.
Louie,
I said I'll try.
at least for my sake, okay?
Good night.
Take care of yourself. Oh, darling.
You went to see him before coming in here, right?
Hey.
You know too well that I'm not happy with you. Instead of you to come in here to check up on me, you went instead to see him.
You know he occupies a very special place in my heart.
Oh, really? And I mean nothing to you, right?
Oh, come on.
Wow.
Don't see it from that angle, okay? Both of you are important to me. Just that I'm not comfortable with the fact that I'm caught in between your Cold War. I want both of you to tolerate each other. Get to understand each other. You will find out that he's a jolly good fellow. Believe me. Come on.
Whatever,
Stop.
just...
Whatever. Whatever. I have good news for you.
Good news?
Oh, come on.
What happened?
Calm down. Just don't rush it, okay?
Okay, tell me what happened.
On one condition.
What?
You're giving me.
You couldn't sleep as well? Are you missing me?
You wish. Oh, you were missing me, that's why you couldn't sleep, right?
You wish.
Please, I need water.
Hold on. What about what we talked about? Have you thought about it? So?
Yes.
Babe. What?
Babe,
What is going on here?
nothing.
Bro,
Shut up!
I can explain, babe. It's
I said shut up!
bro, it's
I will knock off your teeth. Shut up! Oh my God. I thought you were better than Vanessa. I never knew you were worse than her. No! In my house. You're calling my wife in my house. Louie! You know what? I want both of you out of this house this minute.
what?
I want you out of my house this minute.
Babe.
I'm highly disappointed in you.
bro.
Oscar, listen.
Oscar.
No, it's not what
Oscar.
you think. Oscar! Babe! Oscar!
Uncle Louis, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
What are you still doing here?
Dad, why?
Angela, were you not given an assignment? Go to your room. I said go to your room! I thought I asked both of you to leave my house. What are you still doing here?
Brother. Brother, we can talk about this.
There's nothing to talk about, Louie. Okay? What manner of boy are you? You see, while at work today, I did a deep introspection. I wanted to know where I actually got it wrong. My brother, a brother I love so much, a brother I catered for. I went out of my way to make sure you lacked nothing. I took care of you since our parents died. You traveled to the United States. You came back. I invited you to stay in my house with my so-called fiancé. But what did I get in return? You paid me back in a bad coin, Louie? Huh? You made mockery of me. You pretended as if you were loggerheads with each other. Behind me, you were laughing at me. Laughing at my attempt at reconciling both of you. Listen, Matilda, leave my house. That's all I want from you. Leave my house. I'm not joking. You know me too well. I'm not joking. I'm serious. I am that serious. I want you to leave.
What's going on around the world?
You think I'm joking?
It's so confusing. Could it be that the meaning of love has
Hello?
changed?
Yes, I'm fine. Please, I want you to send some of your men to my house. It's urgent. Please do that immediately.
Oh yeah. Could it be
Just wait and see.
the meaning of trust?
I advise you to leave before they get here.
It's never
Because you won't like the experience.
Oscar.
It's confusing. It seems the one I want to take a bullet for is the one behind the trigger. The one I want to quench the fire for is the one with the kerosene. Everything has changed.
We'll be staying here in the meantime until we're able to sort things out, okay? Yeah.
What's going on?
Angie, you should be sleeping.
I know. I couldn't sleep. What did Mom do to you?
Don't call her that again. She's not your mother.
What really happened?
She's been deceiving us. She's not a good person.
But she is, Dad. She is.
You'll be going to school tomorrow, right?
Yes.
Now go to sleep.
But Dad,
I said go to sleep.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Could it be that the meaning of trust has changed? 'Cause it's never the same again.
No, he's not saying anything to me. I'm really worried. No.
Angie, who are you talking to?
Mom.
Oh my God. Give it to me. How many times do I have to tell you that she's no longer your mother? That you should stop calling her?
Why, Dad? Why is none of you talking to me?
You must not call her again, okay? You must not call her again.
You know, this is exactly what happened when she left. You didn't say anything to me, and now you're doing it again.
Listen to me. She has left our lives for good. You must not call her again.
Dad, I'm going to call her. In fact, give me my phone.
You're challenging your father.
No.
You're going to call her. I will give you the phone, but not now. I'm trying to protect you. Try and understand.
Protect me from what exactly? Dad! So fair, so fair.
up, please get up. Louis! Oh my God, somebody help me! Louis, please get up, please. What happened to you? Get up, please! Somebody help! Oh my God. Louis, please get up, please. I beg you, get up, please. I beg you. What? Kidney problem? Doctor, how is that even possible?
Just calm down. Calm down, okay? He needs the transplant as soon as possible. As it is, he doesn't have much time. Yes.
Angela. Angie. Can you at least talk to your father? How long are you going to continue like this? Come in.
Doctor, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. You're welcome.
Thank you so much. You said he needs a transplant, right?
Yes.
Please, doctor, let's go on with it.
It's not that easy, my dear. We have applied for kidney, and there are a long list of patients before him. We have to wait for his turn.
Wait? I don't understand. Doctor, you said he doesn't have much time left. So how are we supposed to wait?
That's the procedure, my dear.
Oh my God. Can I donate to him? That way it's going to be faster, right?
You can donate to him, but we have to test to be sure you match.
No problem. I'm ready. We can do it.
Okay. Let me make up my sounds. Hello, lab technician. So, my dear, from the test results we have here, you are not a match.
What?
You can't donate to him.
No.
Yes.
Oh, God.
You cannot donate to him. So we have no option than to wait.
Doctor, how much longer do we have to wait for his turn?
As I said earlier, we have long list of patients on that list. waiting for their turn. So he has to wait. It might take 1 month or thereabouts. We just have to wait.
Doctor, will he make it? Do we have much time left? We don't.
You have no option than to wait.
Isn't there anything you can do? I know you can do something. He can't just die.
Just calm down. We will do something. But just give us little time. All we need is time.
You said he doesn't have much time either.
Calm down.
What is all this? What is this now? Hello everyone. My name is Matilda Agu, and lying on the bed here is Louie Uchechi. He's been diagnosed of kidney problem, and his kidneys are failing. And according to the doctor, he doesn't have much time left. Please, in the hospital here, there is a long list of names and patients waiting for their kidney. And before he gets to his time, I'm afraid he might not make it. Please, I'm appealing to you all to please help him. Help us. Louis here is a very good man, and he doesn't deserve this. He doesn't deserve to die. Please, help us. I'm going to include the details of this hospital below this video. Thank you. Louis, doctor!
What am I
doing? It's just easy, okay? Easy. Get back. Easy. No. Don't get up. Doctor, he's up.
Doc, what's going on?
Don't worry, you'll be fine, okay? You are sick, and your kidneys are failing. You need urgent kidney transplant. But don't worry, it's something we can handle. All you have to do for now is to relax. As soon as we get the kidney, we do the transplant immediately. If you feel any kind of pain anywhere, don't hesitate to let me know. Or you call one of the nurses. Okay?
Yes, doctor.
Just take care of him. You'll be fine, okay? Relax.
Kidney problem? How?
I don't know. I don't know what to do. The doctor was actually trying to let me know.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Hey. I strongly believe everything will be alright. Okay?
Angela, go to my room. There's a document in a drawer. Get it for me. You heard me, right? Angie, I'm talking to you. What is wrong with you, Angela? Go get what I asked you to bring. Listen, I think I'm done. I'm done with all this nonsense of yours, okay? I've given you enough time to process and understand the situation at hand, but it seems you don't want to do so. Matilda is out of our lives, and it's for good. We must continue our lives as if nothing happened. Understood? Now go get it. I said now.
It's the one I want to take a bullet for. It's the one behind the trigger. The one I want to quench the fire for. It's the one with the kerosene. Everything has changed.
The lab technician called to inform me that while they were conducting the test to find out if you are compatible with Mr. Louie, they found out that you are pregnant.
Pregnant?
Yes. 1 month pregnant. So, congratulations.
Doctor, please, can you do me a favor?
Yes.
Do not mention it to him, please.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
I have to be on my way out. Thank you, Ma.
Thank you.
Hi. How are you feeling?
Weak.
I've tried countless times to call Oscar, but his number is not reachable. I also called Angela, but it says switched off. I went by Oscar's house and his office, but the gate man won't even let me in. I just don't know what to do. This is all my fault.
It's not your fault.
It is.
It's my fault.
No,
I'm the one.
No, your brother is meant to be here. Louis, are you okay? Louis, are you? What's wrong? Doctor! Louis, please stay with me. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
I'm fine.
Baby,
I'm fine.
what's wrong? Louis, please, you just have to be fine. I promise you all this will be over. Please, you can't just die on me, please.
It's okay. Everything will be fine. I'm fine. I'm fine.
Sorry for keeping you waiting, my dear.
It's okay, doctor.
So, the general hospital called. That was why I asked you to come.
Okay.
Apparently, there's a new kidney. Yes. And the donor asked that it should be specifically given to Louis.
Oh my God! Is it right?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
So we have to start the transplant immediately.
Okay.
And by weekend we should be done.
Thank you so much, doctor. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
God, I thank you. Thank
You're
you,
welcome.
doctor.
So you have to, the admin, they are already waiting for you.
Okay.
Just go there and do the necessary documentation and sign it.
Thank you, ma. Thank you so much, doctor.
Congratulations.
God bless you.
Congratulations,
Thank you.
my dear. Thank God.
Guess what? Louie, guess.
You know I'm not good at guessing, right?
We're getting the kidney.
What?
Exactly. That was why the doctor called me.
That's great news.
I'm super excited. Like, I almost couldn't believe it when she told me. But it's true. We're getting a kidney. Oh God, this is one of the best news I've ever heard in a very long time. I'm so glad. I'm happy. Finally, this will be over soon.
Matilda.
Yes.
Thank you so very much for not giving up on me.
Oh, no, come on, it's nothing. You don't need to be thanking me, okay?
Okay. Finally.
Yes, finally.
Now, the surgery has been slated for 9th of this month.
That is good news.
Yes, you have to abide by the instructions now more than ever as we await the day.
Okay, no problem, doctor.
That will be all for now.
Thank you so much once again, doctor. I truly appreciate your help. Thank you.
Welcome, you're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you. I can't believe that soon all this will be over.
Same here. I mean, all thanks to you.
Please, I can't wait for us to get out of this place.
Me too. I know I've said this multiple times, but no matter how many times I say it, Matilda, it can never be enough. Thank you so very much for sticking with me.
Louie, I have told you so many times that you don't need to thank me, right? Of course, this is what I'm meant to do. When we leave this place, there is something very important I would like to tell you.
Really? Okay.
So, what do you crave for?
Oh, right now,
I got you. Louie! What's wrong with you, Louie? Doctor! Louie, please, calm down. I'm coming. Doctor! Doctor, please, how is he?
He is in a critical condition, but the nurses are preparing him for surgery.
Doctor, please, he's going to be okay, right?
We'll try our best.
Doctor, how did it go? How is he feeling?
I can't say for now, but the operation was successful. We only pray for him to wake up.
Thank God. Can I go and see him?
No. He needs to be left alone. You two go and rest. Go and rest.
Louis, you're up. Oh my God, I was so scared. Oh, Jesus, thank you so much. Thank you. Hi, are you okay? You're still weak, right? I was so scared. I thought I lost you. Sorry, okay? You'll be fine. You're already fine. Right? Was it hurt?
Nah, it's okay.
Louis, how are you feeling now?
Much better.
Thank God. Are you feeling any kind of discomfort or pain anywhere?
Not at all.
According to the scan conducted on you, you are good. You are okay. You are free to go home.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Doctor.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
Doc, please, I mean, I know I've asked you this a couple of times and you declined.
Okay.
And you also said the identity of the donor would rather be anonymous. Doc, I mean, I really would like to know who this good Samaritan that saved my life is.
As I've said before, I can't divulge the identity of the donor. I cannot.
Come on, Doc. I mean, he's the reason why I'm alive. It's the right thing to do, to at least see him and thank him.
I cannot do that. I can't. I'm sorry. Please. Excuse me.
You're not sleeping.
Can't sleep. I've been thinking.
I know, right?
At least I should be able to know who this person is, whether he or she, him or her. At least just to get to thank him or her.
Yeah.
I'm going back to the hospital.
Okay. Try and get some sleep. You need it.
Hello, Doc.
How are you doing today?
I'm feeling great, but I'm not here for me. Doc, I really need to find out who the donor is.
Did I tell you?
Doc, please. I've not been able to sleep. All right? All I've been doing is think about who this could be. Please, Doc, tell me. Please.
I'm sorry. I can't reveal the identity of the donor to you.
Doc, please.
No, I'm sorry, I cannot. I'm sorry. I can't. I can't.
Come in. Oh, you're back. Did she? I knew she wouldn't. It's against their policy. If you ask me, I'll say you should just let this go. I mean, you've tried your best. You've tried to know who this person is, but the person wants to be left unknown. The least you can do is to be grateful for a second chance and live your life, okay? Who knows? Who knows why this person has demanded so badly to be left anonymous? I'll order us some food. Angela. Hey sweetie, how are you? I called you earlier, but your phone was switched off. How are you guys? You're in your daddy's friend's place. Why are you there? Dad? How? What are you talking about?
To quench the fire is the one with the kerosene. Everything has changed.
So this is where he kept this from.
Nothing is the same again. Everything has changed. Oh yeah. But regardless, being who we are, two wrongs can never make a right. We should always understand.
Hello everyone. Line on this bed here is Louie Uchegbu. He's been diagnosed of kidney problem. His kidneys are actually failing and he doesn't have much time left. Please.
Angela, how long is it going to take?
Patience.
What are you doing with that phone?
So that this is why you asked them to leave?
What are you talking about?
Yes, you asked them to leave because Uncle Louie is sick.
Louie, sick?
He's sick. Uncle Louie is sick. See.
Hello everyone. My name is Matilda Agu. And line on this bed here is Louie Uchegbu. He's been diagnosed of kidney problem.
Oh my God.
His kidneys are actually failing and he doesn't have much time left.
Go to your room.
Yes, sir.
Oh God.
Begging you all please to help us. Help him, I beg you. He's a very good man and then he doesn't deserve to die. Please, I'm appealing to you all to please come to our aid and save Louis's life. Thank you. Below this video, I will include the details of this hospital. Thank you so much. Bye.
St. Finbar's Hospital. Hello? Good evening, ma. Please, am I on to St. Finbar's Hospital? I got your number from your address online. Yes, I'm Mr. Oscar Okeke. Yeah, please, ma, do you have a certain Louie Okeke in your hospital? He's my brother. Yes. Exactly. As a matter of fact, I'm willing to donate to him.
Oh yeah, but
I intend running the compatibility test as soon as possible. Okay? That will be fine. Yes. Immediately. Okay. Please, one more thing, ma. I would like to remain anonymous. Okay. See you tomorrow.
we should always understand. Only good will. Life is not about who's real to your face. It's all about who's real behind your back. The earlier you know this, the earlier you know peace. Oh yeah. I light it up, light it up. I thought you came and took the light away.
What are both of you doing here? What are you doing here? Desmond, I instructed you never to allow them into this compound, and you thwarted my instructions.
I had to force my way in.
That doesn't answer my question, Louie. What are you doing here?
You donated your kidney for me.
I don't know what you're talking about. I want you out of this compound this minute.
I mean, you donated one of your kidneys for me, despite the fact that you thought that I
donated my kidney to you. And why would I do that?
Because you're
Tell me.
Brother. Yes.
What did you just say? Brother. Oh. Louie, the last time I checked, brothers don't go about coveting their brothers' fiancés. Okay? Okay, agreed. I gave you my kidney. But don't get it wrong. I could have given it to a random person. So it's no big deal. I want you out of this compound this minute. Get inside.
But Dad...
I said now, get inside! I don't want to meet you here.
Oscar, wait, Oscar. Listen to me. Oscar, please. Oscar! Oscar! So I hope you've been making your papers.
Everything is going very fine. Like, there was one that I had.
Angela, what are you doing here?
I just wanted...
Don't be a stupid girl. Go to your room. I thought I told both of you to leave this compound. You think I'm joking?
We just want to talk, please.
I told you there is nothing to talk about. There is absolutely nothing to talk about. I could have given my kidney to an outsider. So what's the big deal?
All I have been trying to do is to help.
You've done that successfully, Louie. You've helped. Okay? Now, you can have her. Let me be.
Oscar, it's all my fault. I was frustrated. All I ever wanted was to get your attention. That night, I waited for you. I waited for you just like every other night, but you did not show up. So I went to his room, and that was the same night that...
Matilda, it seems you're finding it difficult to understand what I've been saying. I don't care. I don't want your explanation, okay? You see, there is something my divorce with Vanessa taught me. It is the fact that anyone, no matter how close he or she is to you, can wake up and leave you in the twinkle of an eye. You know, when she left, I was deeply broken. I was shattered. I was only able to find solace in my work. But I swore never to fall in love again. But as time went by, I realized that Angie was growing rapidly and that she needed a mother figure in her life. And when you came, I accepted you wholeheartedly. I started liking you. I noticed you were bonding easily with her. I decided to give you a chance. But I was very careful not to make a second mistake. But how did you end up paying me back? Matilda, you stabbed me in the back.
I told you that I'm nothing close to Vanessa. I am not Vanessa.
Unfortunately, I bought into that lie. I thought you were different. I never knew you were birds of a feather. I went to the office. I told my boss to relieve me of some of my duties, and he granted my request. I toiled day and night, worked so hard in order to meet the set target. And the night I came home, to break the good news to you. It was the same night I met you with my brother.
You're getting it all wrong.
Well, you've gotten what you wanted. I just want you to let me be, okay? I'm not cut out for this anymore. I want you to leave my compound this minute.
I'm pregnant. I wanted to tell you that when we got out of the hospital.
You're pregnant? Congratulations to both of you.
It belongs to you.
Matilda, you've proven to be a cheat. I didn't know you were also stupid.
I'm pregnant for you.
Listen to me, Matilda. I am not cut out for this nonsense, okay? Just leave my compound.
We never had sex at any time. Not even once. Alright, all this while that we've been together, we've never had anything in that light. Look, all I have been doing all this while is trying to help. Right? Look, Matilda came to my room that night. She only came to talk. And of course, we talked. And eventually, in the course of us having a conversation, we discovered that we had a lot in common. Then we became friends. She had to open up to me about the several attempts she's made to get your attention, which to no avail because of your busy work schedule. And how she's tried several times as well to talk you into getting or giving her some form of attention, and she couldn't get that. Brother, I know you're a very stubborn person. Yes. Okay, so I came up with a suggestion that, we could probably do something to draw your attention. It was only a harmless hug. Nothing more. We tried all of that because we wanted, to get your attention into doing the right thing, for you to realize that you haven't been treating her right. That's all. Then you sent us away. All this while we've been trying to establish some form of communication with you, but to no avail. We called, sent you numerous messages on all different social media platforms, but you blocked us. Brother, all I have been trying to do is to help you. Nothing more.
Louie, you're my brother. I'm sorry I neglected you. Matilda, I actually thought you were cheating on me.
I'll never do that to you.
Yes. And I will never do anything deliberately to hurt you. So, for sure.
Come, both of you, come.
Without me? No way.
Come.
And allegiance, I will never trade that for anything. I will never take that for granted.